Before we get into this video, I will show you a simple and short video that can make you hundreds of dollars a day with CPA marketing if you do it right. Alright, here is the video. You can see right here, it's a short video, less than 15 seconds. As you can see, it's a before and after image of someone who tried to lose weight. Also, as you can see right underneath the image, it says free product giveaway, and if they contact this email, they will get it for free. And now I'm going to show you how to do this whole process step by step and get people to send you messages to that email, and you can start collecting leads for absolutely free. Okay, so let's get into the video. All right, so now if I come into my cpagrip account, you can see for today I have made over $70 a day, and I completely use this method. Okay, you can see the day is not over yet and we have over $70 on this account already. YouTube is the best platform to do this method, and you don't even need subscribers at all. You don't need to monetize your channel. You are going to be getting organic traffic to this video, and you are going to be collecting leads for absolutely free. And there are a lot of niches out there that you can use. You can use the car niche, you can use the money niche, you can use relationship niche, you can use health and fitness, you can use sports, you can use gaming, you can use hot girls, and you can use animals. You can also use recipe niche as well. This method is not limited to these niches alone. There are a lot of other niches out there that you can take advantage of, because there are millions of people who are interested in the niches that I just mentioned now. So you can use any of these niches to get started. So once you've picked a niche, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to a website called jiffy.com. All right, so once you come to jiffy.com, you want to basically type in your niche right here. For example, if you want to go into gaming, okay, this is just an example. All right, you are going to see a lot of gaming GIFs right here that you can compile and make videos that are going to go viral on YouTube. All right, so if I click on this one, for example, you can see right here, this is a gaming GIF, and there are also other suggested one underneath here. All right, so let me go back. So if we use this one, for example, this one looks funny. Okay, you can see right here, it has over 31 million views on it. As you can see right here, it's a funny gaming GIF. All right, so once you pick your niche, like I said, you want to come right here, you want to download these GIFs. So once you download this GIF, then you want to make a compilation of this GIF. You can use any video editor software. There are a lot of mobile ones you can use. You can use KineMaster if you don't have a PC at your disposal, but if you do, you can use Canva to make these videos, just like I've done right here. You can see I completely made this video on Canva. All right, I made everything on Canva from start to finish. So basically you can come onto Canva and make these videos yourself. You don't have to hire anyone to do it for you. So once you've made the video, you can basically just download the video. You want to make sure you add an image that resonates with the niche. You want to add something like this right here. Okay, just like I've done right here. You want to do exactly the same thing, because I have been experimenting with this method for over 5 weeks now, and it's still currently working as the time of making this video. So you can start driving traffic to your content locker for absolutely free. So the next thing you want to do, you want to log into your Gmail account. So once you are logged into your Gmail account, you want to go to the vacation responder. Okay, so once you go to the vacation responder, you want to basically set up a vacation responder right here. So you want to turn the vacation responder on. So once you turn it on, you can leave a short title right here, and you want to leave a short description right here as well, and link them to your content locker. Basically, that is how you do this for absolutely free without having to run any form of paid advertisement at all. So once you set up the vacation responder, people are going to start sending message to this email that you left right here. So when they send you an email to this, your Gmail is going to automatically send a message to them instantly. All right, so once you send the message to them, they are going to be taken to your content locker and they are going to complete the offer to get the giveaway that you promised them. All right, so and also you want to make sure you create a landing page. All right, it's very important that you do so. Landing page builder like breezy.io. You basically want to go to a website like breezy.io, like I mentioned here. If you don't have an account, it's completely free, just like it states here. I'll leave a link in the description. Okay, you can create landing pages on breezy.io for free. So once you've done that, you want to link the landing page to your content locker. You basically want to come to the monetization tool and you want to go to URL file locker. So once you come right here, you can create a lot of landing pages for absolutely free. Okay, you can create content locker rather for absolutely free. Okay, so once you create the content locker, so you are going to host the content locker on the landing page. So I have made a lot of videos on this channel on how to create landing pages on breezy.io for absolutely free. Okay, so basically that is how you do the method in a nutshell. All right, so basically if you want to see a whole full walkthrough of this method in a nutshell, I have made an update inside my course. This is a new method that I just added into the course a few hours ago. So you can come right here. As you can see, just these 3 videos alone are going to change the game for you, because I take you through the whole process of creating this video from start to finish and how to promote them on YouTube so that you can start getting views to your videos instantly. So and that brings us to the end of this video. If you find any useful information, please leave a like on the video. If you have any question, then drop them down below and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.